Hello students, in this video session we will see last sum of exercise 13.3 and next topic frustum of a cone study. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Students, last video session I taught this sum. Here also we will learn this speed rate of water. This is given. This will be important point that we will see. So children, this is question. Here is a canal. Here one pipe is joined from this canal to this tank. Water comes from this canal through this pipe in this tank. This is our question. So first of all, let us understand D is diameter of the pipe, that is 10 centimeter, means this radius is 10 centimeter. Now length of water column here, since water flows through the pipe at 3 km per hour, meaning is length of water column per hour is equal to h 3 km, 3 into 1000 meter, converted kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, multiply 1000, multiply 100. Now children, you can write this also 3, 30 and 20, but I have written in this form. Only one reason is sometimes we forget to write 10 or 10 we write extra. Not necessary, I mean that is wrong. 0 we by mistake we add, so avoid this type of writing, but write in this form. So 1000 and 100. Volume of water formula, it is cylindrical form, pipe is cylindrical, pi r square h, pi r is 10 square into 3, this form is written here centimeter cube. Now for this tank, diameter is 10 meter, radius 5 meter, converted into centimeter, height is 2 meter, converted into centimeter. Now volume of the tank is pi r square h, we call it V2 volume. So written pi r is, this is r, this is r, this is h, written here. Now time required to fill the tank means volume of this pipe divided by volume of water flown in 1 hour. Okay, so all values we kept here. Okay, and we simplified. Finally we got 5 by 3 hour, that is 5 by 3 converted into 60 minute. Cancellation. 100 minutes are required to fill this tank through this pipe. This pipe comes from this canal. Okay children, so slowly here I am showing you. Okay children, so now let us proceed for next topic and last topic, that is frustum. Now children, frustum of a cone. So children, this shape is known as frustum. How to make this? So we know that it is consider a cone. A cone sliced by a plane parallel to base. બેઝ ને પેરેલલ હોય એવી રીતનું એક પ્લેન પાસ કરવામાં આવે, એવી રીતના કટ મૂકવામાં આવે અને જે શેપ અહીંયા જે વધે તે ફ્રસ્ટમ. ઉપરનો કોનિકલ શેપ છે that we have removed. So finally frustum of a cone. Okay. Now children, we have three formulas. Volume of the frustum of the cone, 1/3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. The curved surface area of the frustum of the cone is pi r1 plus r2 L, where L is h square plus r1 minus r2 square. And total surface area of frustum of the cone is pi L, means this part, plus upper circle and down circle. Okay children, where L is this h square plus same formula. Exercise 13.4, question number first one. A drinking glass is in the shape of frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. R1 is 2 centimeter given, R2 1 centimeter is given, height is given 14 centimeter. Volume of the glass. Now children, we know the shape of frustum, just now I taught. Okay, surface. Now children, this is bigger R1, this circle is R2. So volume of glass 1/3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Now children, you can remember volume and area. So children, volume of cone we know, that is, this formula is volume of cone is 1/3 pi R square h. That can be written pi h R square. So this R square is here. Okay, 1/3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. You have to remember this portion only. 1/3 pi h, that is common in both cone and frustum. Now put the value. H is 14, R1 2, R2 1, 2 into 1 2. So 22 by 3, 14, 308 by 3, divide it. Finally we get 102, 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Okay children. So let us proceed. Next sum. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Now children, in this question, radius is not given. It is given indirectly with the help of circumference. So first step is, we will find out radius. Okay. So let us start. L is given 4 centimeter, circumference is given 2 pi r1 18 centimeter, pi r1 is 9 centimeter, pi r2 is 3 centimeter. Now children, radius we can find out. R1 is equal to 9 by pi, R2 is equal to 3 by pi, put the value of pi. But all these activities we are not doing. Observe this calculation part. CSA of frustum is equal to pi R1 plus R2 into L. Children, we know that about cone formula is pi RL. So pi, replace this R by R1 plus R2 L. Clear? Now put the value. Pi R1 is 9, pi R2 is 3, L is 4, 48 centimeter square. Now children, you can observe in whole this part, we did not keep the value of pi. Okay, that is important. If you put it, same answer you will get. But without putting this, we have obtained this answer. If phase, the cap used by the trucks is shaped like the frustum of a cone. If its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter, radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter and slant edge is 15 centimeter. Find the area of the material used for making it. Radius of the open end 10 centimeter, radius of the upper base, that is 4 centimeter, L equal to 15 centimeter. Children, for this to see the figure given in textbook. Area of the material required means CSA of the frustum plus area of the top end. Pi R1 plus R2L, pi R2 square. Now children, pi is common, R1 R2L plus R2 square. Put the value children. 10 plus 4 into 15 plus 4 square. 14 into 15 plus 16, 210 plus 16, 226. Multiply this, divide by 7. So 710 by 7 centimeter square. Now children, remaining two questions are homework. So by this way, we have finished our syllabus also. Now children, prepare entire chapter thoroughly. Thank you students.